What's up, guys? It's Trevor with Embers Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. Today I'm excited. I just got a new EVO installed at my house. I've never cooked on one of these before, and tonight's the night we're cooking on it. So we prepped it. The way we prepped it is we put a bunch of oil on it, just like any cast iron surface. You don't want to cook on that dry. So we got a nice layer of oil on it. What I thought would be fun to try for the first time is we have our pellets, our Memphis pellet smoker here. If you take a look under the hood here, we got some ribeyes going. So those are reverse, or what we're gonna do is reverse sear them. So I have those smoking at 250. Then we're gonna finish them and sear them on the EVO with some butter. So we get a nice smooth finish. But first I'm gonna turn it on and just let everything burn off. So the way you ignite it is you're gonna put it in light mode, and then you can hear the gas going and you just hit the battery spark here. We got it on. So now we're just gonna let it preheat for a while. So I got it fired up and pretty hot. You can see there's two burners. There's one here, which you can see sort of creating a ring, and one out here. My only annoyance is it's kind of hard to tell when you light them. You see there's little holes there, but it's kind of hard to see if the gas is lit or not. And then this is my own fault because I don't have this crazy level, but the oil is definitely going to drip forward into the grease tray here. Okay, so our steak, I just checked internal temperature. It's at about 110, which is perfect because that's obviously rare, but we're not really cooking them on the Memphis. The goal when we have them on the smoker is just to infuse that smoke flavor. And then we're gonna finish them and get them nice and crispy and a nice good sear on here. So this is supposedly at 600 degrees. You can see it's nice and hot. So what we're gonna do, hey, I never claimed this is healthy, okay? But we're gonna do a half a stick of butter. Can you see the butter?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put this stick of butter over here on the grill. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Let's let this get melted down. This is fun. We've done this. So that's 3 ribeyes, pretty decent size, but look at that. I got a lot of real estate. I mean, you can really go to town on one of these babies. So far it's fun. It was fun melting the butter, fun moving these things around. Just get a little bit of fresh butter here, might as well. No reason to keep it in place. So you can see, because it's not like a regular grill, you see that glory right there. That is just straight butter. I mean, no one's gonna be mad at that. Hey, I never said it was healthy, all right? Let's cut one open and see how we did. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, nice medium. Could even taken them off a little sooner, actually. All right, let's see. So here's our piece. You can see it's definitely juicy. Let's try it. Yeah, we got the smoke from the pellet smoker, and then we fried them and finished them here. So I would say first time we've used the EVO, big success. So We're gonna be doing a ton more videos and experiments on this guy, so make sure you stay tuned for more videos as we cook on this bad boy. If you're interested in EVO's product, there's gonna be a link in the description below. You can shop the EVO products on our website. Make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos because we're gonna be cooking a ton of stuff on this thing. First go around was super fun. Also click the link above. Now we're gonna show you how to clean it when you're done. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel today, give this video a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos.